Yo, what's going on, guys? This is Leaf Leopard Dan here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on the Elgato HD60S. So, yeah, I bought this so I could be able to do some Fortnite mobile streams and just streaming off mobile in general. And if I ever buy a console, I guess this will come in handy for that as well. There it is, HD60S, stream and record instantly. And right here, the instant game view, that's the real reason I bought this, because with my HD60, there was like a delay and it was caused a bunch of audio issues. But yeah, this is gonna be pretty sweet, be a lot higher quality as well, rather than just rather than just like casting it over AirPlay. So it's gonna be awesome. I'll pump out some high quality streams for you guys. But anyway, let's get into the unboxing of this plastic. There we go. Kind of awkward doing this with one hand, but hey, it's working. Alright, there we go. So we got the HD60S right there. Let's go ahead and open this up. Kind of awkward doing this with one hand. There we go. Alright. Anything in here? No. Okay, so we have the box here. Go ahead and open that up, and yo, look at that. So we got all this right here, telling you how to work it and all that kind of thing. Here we go. Got all the wires and stuff. So these are all just the wires. I might open those up and show you guys those more in depth later. What is this? Nothing in the language. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. This looks like, okay. Battery powered. Because this is talking about stuff that you like. I'm probably not gonna read that. I kind of know how to set it up. Here's the Elgato. Yeah, this is actually so smooth though. Let me get up my HD. I'll show you guys the HD for like comparison. This is what's the HD one, Elgato. It's kind of dirty. Game capture HD versus the HD60. You can see how much cleaner and just smoother and everything the HD60 is. It looks honestly so much nicer than this one. And it's a lot heavier and it feels like it's like plastic. It makes like weird noises and stuff. This just feels a lot more secure and just like better. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into the wires now. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Alright, so now we got our wires here. I'm just going to show you guys these in case you're curious about the wires. So we have this one right here. You can look at that. I got to figure out which part of it these go into. I'm just showing you guys the wires so you can see them. And then we got this one right here. And then I have all the adapters and stuff for my iPad, but those are separate from the HD60. So, yeah. And then we get this super dope sticker right here. Probably gonna put that on my laptop or my iPad. So that is pretty cool. Anyway, so hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. If you did, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And get ready for some more videos / streams. Anyways, have a great day. Peace out.